Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on CKB. For the past several weeks or months, the price of CKB is moving inside this big and huge falling wedge pattern. By the way, this support of the wedge was previously breaking as a very strong and long-term resistance. If I remove all these trend lines, then it will be more visible. You can see that previously we got rejection here, and few more rejections here. And now, after the breakout, you can see that here we broke out in the month of Feb 2024. It is flipped into a support. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, and here we have found this downtrend line resistance. We got rejection here, and few more rejections here. And now the movement is getting squeezed between this support and resistance. And at the same time, we also have this very long-term uptrend line support as well that was previously breaking as a support of this up channel. And still, it is breaking as a very, very nice support. And the pricing is bounced very well from this uptrend line support. At the same time, we also had a very nice support from this big and long-term support of $0.0053 as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and now after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term down channel as well. By the way, I have been showing you this channel almost 2 years ago when it was moving inside this channel. And I was telling you that after the breakout, the technical target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel, somewhere between 3.5 cents to 4 cents. And you can see that price and has already hit that target. That was a very massive rally, by the way. If I place this measurement tool from this over here, and you can see that it was almost a more than 1600% pump. Let me place it once again from this low to here. You can see that it was almost 1691%, very, very massive rally. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this rally as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for bounce bit, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this signal I shared on 12th of Feb 2025 with my members. And here you can also find the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of CKB. And here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that for the past several months, it is moving inside this falling wedge pattern since after 4th of March 2024. And now recently the pricing is once again bounced from this very strong support. This can be a complete support then, because so many supports we had here. We had this up trend line support that was in fact working as a support of this previous up channel. We had this very long-term support of $0.00535 that was previously working as a resistance here, and now after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. And we also had this very long-term support of this falling wedge pattern as well that was previously working as a resistance here for several weeks a month. And now, after the breakout, it is flipped into a nice support. Now, this time, if the price then hits the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, then it can hit the resistance somewhere here, approximately at 1.25 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the wedge, we can expect another very, very massive pump, because the technical target for the breakout from this wedge will be again here, where we had the target for the breakout from this previous and long-term down channel. That is approximately at 3.5 cents. And therefore, after the breakout from this wedge, we can see a very, very powerful attempt to break out this long-term resistance zone. By the way, this resistance zone starts from 3.5 cents and goes to 4.5 cents. That was previously working as a resistance zone here, and again worked as a very, very strong resistance zone here as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.